Hi, thank you for joining me. Today we are doing another bilingual class for my students, and I got a little bit more organized, color coordinated, English and in Spanish. Let's begin. Today we're going to start with a few of the words that I notice my kids or my students don't understand, but we use it a lot. So I got some examples and let's get started. Number one, for example. For example, in Spanish, we say por ejemplo, por ejemplo. Also, a lot of the words you're gonna notice that are the same. So even though we say it differently in English, in Spanish, it's the same way. The next one we have is another reason. Another reason is otra razón, otra razón. The next one we have is years ago, years ago. Hace años, hace años. And like the first one, this one is for instance. For instance in Spanish is again, por ejemplo, por ejemplo. Now this one we use a lot, and a lot of my students don't understand what does it mean because they think it's two words. It's not, it's one word. It's although, although, aunque, aunque. The next one is meanwhile, meanwhile. Meanwhile means mientras tanto, mientras tanto. The next one we have is on the other hand, on the other hand. Now in Spanish, we say por el otro lado, but I wrote por otro lado, por el otro lado. This just means you're thinking about it in another point of view, or on the other hand, what if. The next one we have is on the contrary, which is al contrario, al contrario. Here we have even though, even though. Even though means aunque, aunque. However, I hear a lot of my students saying they don't understand when to use however, but in Spanish they use it a lot. Sin embargo, en inglés se dice however, however. Also, we have the word unlike, unlike. It doesn't mean you don't like it. It means a diferencia de, a diferencia de. Kind of like al contrario, al contrario. Despite is very hard for my students to understand because we really don't use it a lot, but it is a powerful word to learn. Despite means a pesar de, a pesar de. I have a few examples that I want to share really quick. When you're using the word another reason, I want you to say otra razón para ir a tu casa. Otra razón para comer más. That's normally me, I eat a lot. Then you have por ejemplo. So mostly for me, if I'm doing something, I want to give you an example. Por ejemplo, tal y tal hizo eso, por ejemplo, por ejemplo. Aunque, we use aunque a lot. In English too, we use although a lot. Although you could look at it through another point of view. Aunque eso es así, lo podemos mirar de otro punto de vista. So this always is very important to add to your vocabulary if you're learning English or if you're learning Spanish. Please give me a like and a follow and let me know if you like this. Have a good day. Bye.